Hello everyone and welcome again to my YouTube channel. Yes, it's me again, Chef Coco Cruz, your fusion exotic chef. Today I am going to make you sweet pineapple tomato jam with some shrimp. And I can't wait to share it to you. Let's get started. See my simmered water, and we're going to put our tomatoes there. What I'm doing is I'm blanching the tomatoes, yeah? Now it has been more than 2 minutes. I'm going to grab one and I am simply going to peel that. As you guys can see, you can use this pineapple and tomato jams to anything, like into your bread, to your rice, name it, your pasta. So I am done peeling our tomatoes. Now time to start chopping it, and you can just chop it like tiny bits like so. Finally finished chopping all our fresh tomatoes here. Okay, so now I have 3 pieces of so you can see it's an orange peel, and I am going to cut this like so, and that is a dry orange peel, and add that to the tomatoes like so. Grab a medium-sized pot. Time to grab our fresh pineapple here, but these are cut on bits and pieces, as you guys can see. Yeah, so this is 4 pounds of pineapple. Put it in your pot. Add your tomatoes and your orange peel. This is 4 cups of a pineapple juice itself, and 2 cups of drinking water, and 10 ounces of regular white sugar, 3 tablespoons of lemon juice, half a teaspoon of a ground cinnamon. We mix this very well. Time to put this into our stove for 50 to 55 minutes. Put the lid and make sure you put this in the high heat so the water can be dissolved. And I will be right back because we are going to start frying our shrimp. Yum! Now time to start cooking our shrimp. I love shrimp, but a lot of people do not like it with the antenna and the eyes, yeah? So start cutting that. So this is 1 pound of shrimp. And I'm gonna tell you, this dish has never been created before. Why? Because it's fusion with some accent of Chinese and Filipino. So this is going to be super fantastic. It's actually really fusion for you, and your family is going to enjoy this, trust me. Remember, my cooking for you for today is going to be shell in. So I'm just gonna wash this one more time, and we're gonna start cooking the shrimp. Yum. Okay, after it has been 55 minutes, this is our jam gonna look like, yeah? But remember, you're gonna have to put it in a high heat. Look at that. I wish you guys are all here with us because the smell, it's like yummy. Now, I'm going to put this in a simmer temperature for another hour. But we're gonna start cooking the shrimp, and we're gonna have to put this in a medium-high heat. And we have 4 ounces of butter that we're going to put here in our skillet. After our butter has been melted, what we're going to do add now is some green onions and 2 ounces of white onion, a teaspoon of ground black pepper, and a teaspoon of ground garlic, and a teaspoon of Himalayan salt, and a teaspoon of chili powder. We cook this for about 3 minutes, and now time to transfer our broth. At this point, by the way, you're gonna have to put it on high heat. Alright, so it's been like 3 minutes, and remember I had put this in a high heat, And we're gonna cook this for another 2 more minutes. And then we're going to wait for our jam. And I wish you guys share this to your family because they're gonna love it. Now I have been cooking this for 8 minutes, yeah? So time to turn this off. Now our pineapple and tomato jam is ready. So cooking that for an extra hour in a slow simmer. Look at that. Time to turn off. Make sure when you make your jam, do not put it on a high heat on the very last hour. So now time for me to grab another ladle where I get to scoop our jam here. So yummy. I wish you guys are all here with me because the smell, that's so fantastic. Only please share this to your families and your loved ones. You guys are going to love this recipe, cooking with Chef Coco Cruz. Doesn't this look beautiful? Just for you, that is called sweet pineapple tomato jam with shrimp. I can't wait to start eating this. Love you guys. Enjoy. Look guys, I'm already filling up my jars. And you can reserve this for about 10 weeks. I have to wash my hands. I'll be back. Loving you. I was not saying. And this is sugar. And what you do with sugar is you just eat it. I'm just kidding. Okay. Are you ready?